So you see, I'm not the one who said, though, allegedly, you will see legal wives, and then team, each one has their own alleged contracted people to insult. And now you see the insult coming in left and right. So you take money to tarnish people's image, to insult people. Others also do not do that. They just come online for the sake of it. They come and they insult, they make mockery of people, just so people can laugh, and then they'll gain validation. Allah says that, all you who believe, fear Allah and speak words of appropriate justice. So before a Muslim opens your mouth, it has to be what? And he said again in Surah Baqarah that, do not mix the truth with falsehood or conceal the truth whilst you know it. So you cannot be team legal wife or team whatever when you don't even know the truth. That's where you mix falsehood with the truth. So that is not for a Muslim. And then they said ridiculing those who come and then they ridicule themselves and they do all those things for likes. Allah again says that, let's not one people ridicule another people. Perhaps they may be better than them. And this is Surah 49 verse 11. So a Muslim should and must speak with wisdom and respect. Okay. He's been using a platform so well to promote Ghana Muslim Mission for free. Yes, Faruza, thank you. I have a niece that is 8 years old, okay? And she's very good in Quranic recitals and making du'as and the rest. So when she's in the mood and she's doing that, we take videos of her. But unfortunately, we lost her about 2 months ago. And we shared, you know how we do when people die, we share posts and blah, blah, blah. So she was all over. And then one lady shared the video of her reciting a dua. And then boom, the video went viral, over 100,000 views, thousands of comments, thousands of likes. So everybody was happy, people were praying for her and all that. And then in the midst of we being sad and then happy that she's also getting prayers, the father was quiet and he was like, so what if this post was the opposite? This post of my daughter, this post they shared was the opposite. What if my daughter was twerking or doing anything other than what pleases Allah? What would have been my state? Me, the father, what would have been my state and then the state of my child? And this is very deep. Most of the time, what prevents us from doing these things we have to do is we give ourselves excuses. Oh, media, I'm busy. I need the money. Create content for Ghana Muslim Mission. Oh, tomorrow, I don't have the time today. When we start giving ourselves excuses like that, we should know that whilst we are giving ourselves excuses, there are people who have dedicated their platform. I was happy when the regional national secretary, general secretary mentioned Mufti Menk. We have people who have dedicated their platform solely to the way of Allah. So if we are here giving excuses, then we should know that our heavens will what? It can never be the same because our efforts are not the same. So Quran says that, the Quran chapter 28 verse 1 says that, and fear the day when you return to Allah, then every soul will be compensated for what it earned and none will be wronged. Know that, fear that day. This is the last verse I'm leaving us with. Fear the day when you will be returned to Allah, then every soul will be compensated for what they earned and none will be wronged. So your identity as a Muslim is more valuable than trends, followers, money, or online fame. Stay grounded in Islam, keep your modesty, seek halal success, and remember that every post, every comment, and every action is accountable before Allah. And the last verse is, so whoever does an atom weight of goodness will see it, and whoever does an atom weight of evil will see it. And that day is not far-fetched. When Allah talks to us, He says that it is for those who reflect. So this is for us. Let us be among the people who hear and put into practice. Okay? So I'm going to make a sign. The sign is a very common sign on social media. And you help me. There are 2 signs. You help me voice them out, and then I'll conclude. Okay. Before I began, I said that everything that is being said here is either from the Quran or what? the hadith. And so for that matter, it is on what? Period. And so I will need each and everyone here for the sake of Allah to what? Clack it! أقول قولي هذا واستغفر الله لي ولكم والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Thank you all so much. May Allah bless you.